Hi, this is Mind Radius Edulations talking to you again. We vibrate the whole day at different vibrations, and vibrations are energy. There are sad vibrations, there are when we are unhappy, whenever we are anxious, we are doubtful, we vibrate at low level, right? But when we are happy, we are excited and fulfilled, then we vibrate at higher level. Now, what is the reason of talking to you about these vibrations? Because if you keep yourself vibrating at higher levels, you will find yourself fulfilled, happy all the time, the whole day. And what can help you in this? Meditation can help you in keeping yourself at higher vibrations always. So today I'm going to share 3 hacks with you that how to begin meditating. This might be very helpful for people who never know how to meditate. So it is for beginners level. You can begin. Now you see, when it is morning and it's afternoon, and when we are about to slip to bed, you'll see you will vibrate at different levels. Low, high. It all depends on your mood, the kind of frustrations you might be undergoing, the anxiety you might be feeling, maybe your unhappy state of mind, doubtfulness, fear. Any kind of negative emotion would put your vibrations down, but positive emotions would take your vibrations up. So these 3 hacks would help you keep vibrations high. Number 1 hack. You have to look at the wall. You can, these are the eyes, at the level of your eyes, you can look at the wall and keep gazing at any single point. You can make an imaginary circle or a small circle with a pencil on the wall and keep gazing for 5 seconds, for 10 seconds, for 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Slowly and gradually increase your time, and you'll see that within 1 month or so, you are ready to gaze for minimum 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Your eyes may pain, but it's all right. They might pain, and they might be even you might have tears. It's all right, no issues. But when you're gazing at the wall, don't let your emotions disturb you. Don't knock you down. What you do is, if the emotions come, let them come and go, because thoughts are guests. So come and go. This was the first method. If it suits you, all right. Otherwise, let me teach you another method. It's again for the beginners. You can light up a candle or diya, right? And what you can do is, again, you have to keep it to the level of your eyes. You can keep it on a table and keep gazing at the flame continuously for some time. You can begin with 5 seconds, take it to 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds. Again, with the practice, you will see that you can perfectly gaze at the flame for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. The reason of gazing at the flame is precisely to concentrate. It doesn't have any other purpose. With concentration, you will have no attention span from your thoughts. So you can put your monkey mind to rest. Your brain keeps on working, thoughts keep on coming, so they'll be at rest. This was the second method. It might suit you, because I have tried and tested all the methods with myself and my clients. Third method is a beautiful method. what you can do. You can choose to sit at sofa or at your rooftop or at a corner of your lawn if you have a private lawn or a balcony. Sit there comfortably in the morning and evening, twice if you choose, or once you choose. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. Now, keep imagining that you are traveling to a dense forest. You're trekking and going to a dense forest. You're with your family. You're enjoying, laughing, gazing at the trees, and there is a river flowing nearby which has crystal clear water. You love the sight because they say, right, that nature is a healer. Keep looking at the intricate beauty of the plants, the nature, the road, the curves, the depth, and the height of trees. Keep looking at the clear water. How flawlessly and easily it flows. Keep on walking. You are walking and walking and walking, enjoying, laughing. You are in silence. Silence of words. Silence of mind. Silence of thoughts. So you are thinking nothing. You are thoughtless. You have no ideas, you have no thoughts coming which might disturb you. You're just taking a long walk in the lap of nature. Now, after you are all this is all imagination. Now it's evening. You're coming back home, laughing, and now you are talking about the enjoyment you had, and the beautiful laughter you had, the beautiful time you spent in lap of nature, and you're coming back home relaxed. All your muscles, your brain, your body, your inner and outer parts of the body, everything is relaxed. And then you sit quietly. And now if you wish to begin thinking about the ideas you have to have for the next day or today, you can begin. Okay, so these three were the hacks, are the meditation styles for the beginners. You can choose any one. People have made meditation so very, the kind of very difficult thing. It is very difficult. Meditation is very difficult. No, it's not. Meditation is just quietening your mind. Now, this would be a series on meditation. These three were the simplest techniques I could teach the beginners. And you can comment below in the comment section that what you would like to learn from me. What techniques, how did you find the techniques? Did you try and test it? How did you feel doing any one of the techniques? I will be posting the same video in Hindi too. I have my channel, Mind Radius Edulations, which you are watching. Please visit there. You'll find so interesting topics there which are on neuropsychology, psychology, NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, meditation, healing, money, and parenting, teaching. So there are various topics you'll find interesting. You might be interested to watch. I take a break here, and soon after this, in a series, I'll post other techniques, not only of meditation but of healing yourself, healing your thoughts, healing your problems, relationships, health, money, career, and profession. So I wish you good luck. If you found that the video was good, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Goodbye.